In today's digital age, information is power. We use information constantly. We need information to make decisions and take action. But how is information gathered, organized, and used effectively? The answer lies in information systems. An information system is a set of interrelated components. These components work together, they collect, process, store, and distribute information. This information supports decision-making, coordination, control, analysis, and visualization in organizations. Information systems are not just about computers, they involve much more. Think of an information system as a well-coordinated team. Each member of the team plays a specific role. In the following sections, we will delve into the key components of information systems. We will explore hardware, software, data, people, and processes. Understanding these components is crucial to grasping the power and impact of information systems in our modern world. Hardware forms the tangible backbone of any information system. It encompasses all the physical devices used to input, process, store, and output information. These devices are essential for the system to function. Imagine a computer. The monitor you see, the keyboard you type on, the central processing unit inside, and the hard drive storing your files. These are all examples of hardware. Other examples include printers, scanners, and even the network cables connecting different devices. Without these physical components, software wouldn't have a platform to run on, data wouldn't have a place to reside, and users wouldn't have a way to interact with the system. The capabilities of hardware directly impact the performance, storage capacity, and overall efficiency of an information system. Faster processors can handle complex computations quickly, while larger storage devices can hold vast amounts of data. While hardware provides the physical structure, software acts as the digital brain of an information system. It comprises the set of instructions or programs that tell the hardware what to do and how to do it. Consider the apps on your smartphone, the operating system that runs your computer, or the web browsers you use to access the internet. These are all examples of software. Software processes data, performs calculations, and controls the functionality of hardware components. It acts as an intermediary between humans and machines, enabling us to interact with and utilize the power of hardware. Software comes in various forms, from system software that manages the basic operations of a computer to application software designed for specific tasks, such as word processing, graphic design, or data analysis. Data is the raw material that information systems process and transform into meaningful information. It encompasses facts, figures, symbols, and statistics collected from various sources. Think of customer details stored in a database, sales figures tracked over time, or even the text you are reading right now. These are all examples of data. Data can be structured, like information organized in a spreadsheet, or unstructured, like text documents or images. Information systems collect, store, process, and analyze data to extract valuable insights and support decision-making. Data is essential for understanding trends, identifying patterns, and making informed choices. The quality, accuracy, and relevance of data directly impact the effectiveness and reliability of an information system. Without high-quality data, the information produced by the system may be misleading or inaccurate. Section 5. People, the human element. Often overlooked, people are a crucial component of any information system. They interact with the system, input data, interpret information, and make decisions based on the output. Users, system administrators, analysts, programmers, and managers are all examples of people involved in information systems. They play diverse roles, from operating and maintaining the system to developing and using it effectively. People provide the context, purpose, and intelligence that drive the use and evolution of information systems. They define the goals, design the processes, and interpret the results. The skills, knowledge, and training of the people involved significantly influence the success or failure of an information system. A well-trained workforce can maximize the benefits of a system, while a lack of understanding can hinder its effectiveness. Section 6. Processes guiding information flow. Processes define the steps, procedures and rules that govern how information is collected, processed, stored and disseminated within an information system. Think of the steps involved in processing an online order, the procedures for registering a new customer, or the rules for accessing confidential data. These are all examples of processes. Processes provide structure and consistency to information management, ensuring that tasks are performed efficiently and accurately. They define how data is transformed into information and how that information is used to support decision-making. Well-defined processes are crucial for the smooth operation and effectiveness of an information system. They streamline workflows, minimize errors, and ensure data integrity. Section 7. The interplay of components. It's important to remember that the components of an information system do not operate in isolation. They are interconnected and interdependent, working together to achieve a common goal. Hardware provides the platform, software provides the instructions, data provides the raw material, people provide the intelligence and purpose, and processes provide the structure for information flow. This interplay of components enables information systems to collect, process, store, and distribute information effectively. The effectiveness of one component directly influences the others. For an information system to function optimally, all components must work together seamlessly. A weakness in one area can impact the entire system. Section 8. Importance of information systems. Information systems have become indispensable in today's interconnected world. They are essential tools for organizations of all sizes and across all industries. Businesses rely on information systems to manage operations, track performance, make informed decisions, and gain a competitive advantage. They enable organizations to streamline processes, improve efficiency, and enhance customer service. From managing financial transactions to coordinating global supply chains, information systems play a vital role in facilitating communication, collaboration, and innovation. They have transformed the way we work, learn, and interact with the world around us. The increasing reliance on information systems highlights the importance of understanding their components and how they work together to leverage the power of information effectively. Section 9. Examples of information systems in action. Information systems are everywhere, even if we don't always realize it. Here are a few examples of how information systems are used in various sectors. Businesses, companies use customer relationship management or CRM systems to track customer interactions, manage sales leads, and provide personalized customer service. Healthcare. Hospitals use electronic health record or EHR systems to store patient data, schedule appointments, and share information securely among healthcare providers. Education schools and universities use learning management systems or LMS to deliver online courses, track student progress, and facilitate communication between teachers and students. Finance banks rely on sophisticated information systems to process transactions, manage accounts, and detect fraudulent activity. Government agencies use information systems to provide public services, manage taxes, and ensure national security. These are just a few examples of the countless ways information systems are used to improve efficiency, enhance decision-making, and solve problems in various domains. Section 10. Conclusion. The power of information. Information systems have revolutionized the way we live and work, providing us with unprecedented access to information and the tools to leverage its power. By understanding the key components of information systems, hardware, software, data, people, and processes, we can harness their potential to improve efficiency, drive innovation, and make informed decisions. As technology continues to advance, information systems will continue to evolve, offering new possibilities and challenges. Embracing these changes and understanding the fundamental principles of information systems will be crucial for success in the digital age.